Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. What I'm going to do today is change the antifreeze in my 52 4-day-10 farm tractor. Had this for about a month and I have no idea when it was last done, so I said for a little bit of an expense I may as well change it and put fresh fluid in. So they say it takes about 12 liters of antifreeze, so I have 3 jugs of Prestone pre-mixed antifreeze. I have my bucket ready to drain the antifreeze in, and you can see I'm pretty happy that I'm changing it. What I always like to do is hook up a hose to the top of the rad and flush it out really well. So it comes out nice and clean. I ran into a little issue trying to get my bottom drain plug out. It wasn't coming out, so I removed the lower rad hose, drained it that way, and I have an oil extractor that I'm able to get this to the bottom of the rad to drain out what was left. That's the oil extractor there. And again, I flushed this out a couple times with fresh water. I just wanted to make sure there was no sediment or just fresh water at the bottom of that. That's going to bring the fresh antifreeze in. The lower rad hose is all tightened up. Next thing I'm going to do is start the tractor and let it idle for a few minutes with the rad cover off. That way it will get rid of any bubbles in it. Run for probably 5 minutes and to get all the air bubbles out, and then I topped up the antifreeze, and all in all I was able to add about 9 liters roughly, so there was still a little bit left in the engine block. However, I got probably 75% of it. What I'll do next spring too is I'm going to actually flush it again. And I'm going to do this on a yearly basis, just because the engines are so old. It gets so much sediment in them, rust and whatnot. So for the sake of, $30, $40 to flush the complete coolant in the tractor, it's a minor expense. So again, I'll do that again in the springtime. And the next step, what I'll probably be doing tomorrow, is I picked up a new oil filter and 8 liters of oil. Takes roughly 6 for the tractor, so that will be my next video, doing an oil change on the old 4-day-10. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Again, it's just a short video on changing the coolant in the tractor. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of video. Thanks.